All right, so we're gonna bang her on in there. Now watch where it's going. It's a pretty large tater, so I don't think we're gonna be getting it down anytime soon. You have to shove it in.
It's too big. Fuck, I'm covered in this shit. I need to sweat, bro.
Yeah, we're trying a tomato now because it wasn't working before. Yeah, that's not really gonna work, by the way, but sure. Jam a potato in on top of that. That's disgusting. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Stuff it on down. No, you're right, bro. I didn't take it down.
Fucked up this one.
Get going.
You shut up. Get ready, get ready. Ready.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, twist it, twist it. Yes.
Are you videoing? Ready? I'm scared. Thing knocked.
That thing knocked us back, holy shit.